Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kuchanga kuku hapa neno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garaka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmere Zimbabwe tawigira. Nyaya kaitika nezuro hapo members tupusi akarikolo approach the High Court nenyaya yavo yavari kutaura vachiti vasengezo havana simba rekuvarikola muri Zimbabwe vakaenda vachida kuti High Court ifambire nyaya dzekuti vamudenda varivese maricos avakaita MPs CCC muri Zimbabwe pane nyaya yabuda zvinzi during the court session MPs CCC aka-apologize nekutarisha kwavakaita the good name yavamudenda uyezvenera president Emerson Mnangagwa kutaura kwatiri kuita kunoko zviri kunzi judge vaitonga nyaya vakareserve judgment yavo asi vakapromisa kuti vachabuditsa the ruling yenyaya iyi before musi wa 14 November apo parikuitwa before musi wa 7 November apo parikufailwa nomination papers evanhu vachazo contesta by-elections ari kuitwa musi wa 9 December muri Zimbabwe. Nzwai video iri murikuza mufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section.
So what transpired in relation to the President of the Senate and Speaker of Parliament is that the relief that was sought against the Speaker and the President of the Senate was withdrawn by the applicants, and they actually tendered an apology for scandalizing the good name of the Speaker and the President of the Senate. So as it stands, there is no relief that the applicants are seeking from the Speaker and the President of the Senate. In fact, the applicants have considered that it was wrong for them to scandalize the good name of the Honorable President of the Senate and the Speaker of the Parliament.
What happened to the case?
Sorry?
What was the decision of the court?
Oh, the judgment was reserved, and the court made an undertaking that the judgment will be out before the 7th of November, that is before nomination court sits. Yes. I'm Shingirai Oko.